Ready to unlock the secrets of your Shopify store visitors and understand exactly how they're interacting with your site? First, head over to the Microsoft Clarity website and create your free account. You'll need to sign in with the Microsoft, Google, or Facebook account. Once logged in, create a new project, give it a descriptive name, and enter your Shopify store's URL. Then click Create. Now, grab your unique Clarity tracking code. It's crucial for connecting Clarity to your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify admin panel, go to Online Store, and then click on Themes. Click the Actions button on your active theme, and select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. In the code editor, find the theme.liquid file. This is where we'll paste the Clarity tracking code. Scroll down and locate the closing head tag. Paste the Clarity tracking code just before this tag. Make sure the code is correctly pasted, double-check for any errors, and then click Save. Alternatively, you can search the Shopify App Store for Microsoft Clarity, install the app, and follow its instructions to connect Clarity to your store. This method is usually easier for beginners. After installation, visit your Shopify store and navigate through a few pages to generate some activity. Then go back to the Clarity dashboard to verify that data is being collected. You should see data populating within a few hours. Now you can view session recordings, heat maps, and much more.